Welcome to Sac State's review of the Parent Means of Support form. This review will help you understand how to properly complete the form and submit it to the financial aid office to ensure timely awarding of your financial aid. The purpose of this form is to clarify how your parents supported themselves if they reported low income on your FAFSA. Let's review the steps to complete this form correctly. Step 1. Complete your name and Sac State ID on the upper right-hand side of the form. Step 2. Provide the names of all persons that received benefits in your parents' household. Step 3. List any money received or paid on your or your family's behalf by someone else. Step 4. Provide annual amounts from any other resources or benefits. Step 5. If you did not report any benefits in the previous 3 sections of the form, provide a detailed description as to how your family survived 2019 with low income. Step 6. Make sure that both you and your parents sign and date the form. Now you're ready to upload your document through your Student Center. Under the Financial Aid Links section, click Upload Docs here. Select the file extension and complete steps 1 through 3. Please note, if you are a Mac user, the upload page is not compatible with Safari. Try Firefox or Google Chrome. Be sure to submit only the documents that are requested. Avoid submitting unnecessary documentation, as additional investigation may be required to determine your eligibility, which may delay the determination of your financial aid awards. And that's it, Hornets. You got this. Stingers up!